In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Godaddy website to your Facebook business page. This is a great way to enhance your online presence and ensure your business reaches a wider audience across platforms. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the Godaddy website. You'll find yourself on a page with various options. Look for the section titled Domain Names, Websites, Hosting and Online Marketing Tools. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the Godaddy home. This area functions as a hub for all of your Godaddy products and services. It's important to familiarize yourself with this space as it will be your central point for managing what you've set up with Godaddy. Next, continue on to the products section. Here, you'll see an overview of all the products and services associated with your Godaddy account. This is another essential area since it organizes everything you have purchased or subscribed to in one convenient place. After that, locate and click on Manage. This step will direct you to a more specific management page for your individual products. It may take a moment to load, but once you're in, you'll have a more detailed view of what you can adjust and create. The next feature to focus on is the Social tab. Clicking on this will steer you towards the intersect of your website and social media platforms. Godaddy has tools in place to simplify the process of managing these connections, and this is where you start engaging with them. Upon entering the social section, click on Overview. This section provides a big picture view of your current integrations and allows you to gauge the effectiveness of your connection strategies. You'll want to ensure that this is set up correctly to create seamless interaction between your website and Facebook. Finally, direct your attention to the Connect option. This is the final step in our journey today. By clicking on Connect, you initiate the link between your Godaddy website and your Facebook business page. Following this step, you'll be guided through some prompts to ensure everything is set up correctly and confirm your connection preferences. By following these comprehensive steps, you will have successfully linked your Godaddy website to your Facebook business page, making it easier for your audience to navigate between the two platforms and stay engaged with your business offerings. Remember, maintaining a synchronized online presence is key to reaching more customers and strengthening your brand. Thanks for following along today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more insightful guides and tips.